Priming your Black Berkey elements removes air from the microscopic pores, thereby increasing the speed of water purification by a factor of 8 to 10 times. Locate the priming button in the element box. This is the small, circular, tan-colored washer with a center hole. Press the priming button hole onto the threaded stem of the Black Berkey element. Next, place the stem of the Black Berkey element between your fingers and press it against your faucet. Slowly turn on the cold water, allowing the water to flow into the element. Note, your element will feel warmer and become heavier. When the bore of the element is full, sweat beads will appear on the outside of the element, and then water will begin to run down the sides. Congratulations, you have just primed your Berkey element and it is ready to be installed. Repeat until each element has been primed. During foreign travel, outdoor activities, and emergencies when a clean source of water is not available, we recommend using our Black Berkey primer to prime your elements. This is also suggested for those who have a small sink, a short faucet, or any other situation that makes the use of the priming button impractical. First, attach the Black Berkey primer tube to the inlet tube of the priming body. Next, screw the pump onto the filter. Then completely immerse the soft portion of the filter into a bucket, lake, or other source of water. Squeeze the pump and allow it to re-expand. Repeat until the water begins to flow out from the open end of the primer. Congratulations, your Berkey element has now been successfully primed.